The Ostrogoths are associated with the Gurumfi and the Turumfi tribes, who lived further in the east. Ostro warped from the word Uster, meaning eastern, so their name literally means the Eastern Goths. They were the subjects of the Huns until the death of Attila in 453 AD. Now led by Theodoric the Great, they would gain a great opportunity after the Byzantine Empire, or Eastern Roman Empire, funded his invasion into the Kingdom of Italy. The Kingdom of Italy at this point was already under the control of a Germanic barbarian who opposed the child emperor Romulus Augustulus and became the King of Italy. His name was Odoacer. Odoacer's overthrowing of the emperor is traditionally seen as the marking of the end of the Western Roman Empire. Odoacer originally ruled Italy as a client of the emperor of the Byzantine Empire, Zeno. Odoacer, however, failed to remain loyal to the Byzantine Empire, which is why Theodoric the Great was backed to replace him, pitting German against German, to rule Italy under the Byzantine Empire. Theodoric the Great would usurp the Kingdom of Italy and created a new Ostrogothic kingdom. He also proclaimed himself King of the Goths and Romans, showing that not only did he want to unite these two people, but also showed that he had greater ambitions than just being a client state under the Byzantine Empire. This quite rightly pissed off the Byzantine Empire, who would later conquer and destroy the Ostrogothic kingdom around 60 years later. Be sure to check out my other channel, History Sticks, for the complete, longer and comprehensive video.